Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this one is especially for the single ladies. It looks as though an opportunity may have opened up for you, so put on your glad rags and put on your makeup, because it looks as though you might well be about to get lucky. So with that guys, I bring you this. I am searching for a new wife. Ibrahim Babangida announces. So that's the headline. I am searching for a new wife, and this is now Ibrahim Babangida making this public. So now let's see now what Maradona has to say for himself. Former military president General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, retired, has announced that he is in search of a new wife. Describing the kind of woman that will suit him at this stage of his life, IBB said he would not take a wife much younger than himself, because that would be a problem for the woman and for himself. Speaking recently, the former head of state, however, expressed the fear that the new wife may not be able to live the way he lived with his late wife and former first lady, Mariam. Asaba-born Mariam died on Sunday, December the 27th, 2009, succumbing to ovarian cancer at the University of California's Johnson Comprehensive Cancer Center, Los Angeles. She died at the age of 61. IBB said, "Yes, I am quite sure. I am searching and hoping, but the longer I wait, maybe the more problematic it becomes. If it drags, I will be too old, and the whole idea of having a partner would seem to diminish. But I will make sure I have a partner before reaching that stage. If somebody is in the corner, you could organize that in 3 to 6 months. And because it must be somebody you have known for a long time, or somebody you have been in contact with for a long time, you don't just tell them, look, this is for marriage. But as time passes and the relationship building continues, it could end up in marriage. However, I have to be fair in my search. I really want to be fair. For instance, you don't expect me to take a wife much younger than I am, because that will be a problem for her and for me. I have to be fair. Secondly, I do wonder if she, the chosen one, will be able to live the way Mariam and I did, which is not easy these days. So I keep praying, and I think it will happen." So there you have it, ladies. General Babangida is looking for a wife. Yes, he's of a certain age, but he's a good-looking man, and of course very wealthy, because of course he stole all of the money that Nigeria had for a good 7 years. So his pocket is full, and he is good-looking, but he has some debilitation, so he walks like with a crutch, or is in a wheelchair or something, and is of a certain age, and is not the strongest of health. So now, if you want to go in now and take your chances, well, that is the window of opportunity for you there. So whatever your agenda is, at least treat the man kindly, because a lot of people do like him. I like him as well, to be honest with you. I thought he did some decent things in Nigeria. He built the Third Mainland Bridge, he built Abuja, etc. Yes, he stole a lot of money and destroyed the country eventually. So is that guy, that sort of guy, is a flip of a coin. It's like Marmite. You either like him or you hate him. But if you do like him and you are a single lady of a certain age, then there's a window of opportunity for you right there. He's not looking for some young, peppy little girl, some 20-something or even 30-something. I think really this guy is looking for 45 and above. So if you are 45 and above, and you are at that stage of life when you are looking for a second go at marriage or something, if you are in that sort of bracket, I think really this is where this guy is shopping. So I am your agent, so go in there and marry the guy, but then you send me commission, no, send it via one man went to move, but that's only a joke. Conversations in the comment section. The general is looking for a wife. Do you have any recommendations for him? Come list your recommendations in the comment section, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now, this is on a lighter note, what sort of wife you think is best suited for the general in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.